Welcome to UnoQByte Season 5 powered by Resonance Energy. With us we have Mr. Saurav Shah, who is the Executive Director, Power Finance Corporation. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, the Uno question to you is related to RDSS scheme. So can you please elaborate about this scheme and what are the challenges you are facing in implementing it and the mitigation on the way?
So RDSS is the flagship scheme of Government of India as of now in the power sector, which looks at a comprehensive reform of DISCOMs. So the scheme has basically two major buckets. One is the administrative reform, and the other is the capital grants that is linked to the administrative reforms. So as a scheme, it does two things. Earlier, there have been schemes which looked at capex grants. There had been schemes which looked at reforms standalone basis, but here the scheme links both of these things.
Okay.
So the necessity of administrative reforms is baked into the scheme to ensure that the capital grants are unlocked. So compared to the other capex schemes, the offtake has taken more time because there were compliances to do.
Right.
At the same time, these compliances also ensure that the DISCOMs stay viable for the very long term. So we have seen a lot of administrative reforms happening. Accounts are being built in by states in time. Tariff subsidies are being released by the states. So the relationship between the regulator, the DISCOM, and the state has been redefined with the help of this scheme.
Okay.
And that has improved state finances, and they are able to pay power producers. So it has had an impact on the entire power sector value chain.
Okay. So that's good. That's good. All the best for the future,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you. Pleasure meeting.